Hello YouTube, Dylan Olsen Art back here with a new drawing tutorial. I know I've been gone for a few weeks. I've been taking a break and letting my views and subscriber number go up. Well, either way, in this video, we are going to be drawing Nala from Disney's The Lion King. So it's the young version. So get your pencils, get a nice piece of paper, find a good chair to sit in, relax, and let's begin. For her head, we're going to start off with a circle shape that's about the size of a soccer ball and then we're going to put like a bit of a square shape that goes like this. I know it almost looks like a human head, but it's not a human head. And draw very loose and light at first, because we're not going to use all these lines later on. We're going to cover some of them up later. Now we got to put a cross in the middle of her face so that we know where her eyes will fall and where the middle of her face will begin. Then we're going to put this curve right here for her neck. Maybe put these just not perfect half circles. These will just indicate where her ears will be. So there's our basic shapes. Now we have to draw. We should probably start with the nose area. We're going to start with this part right here. Okay, and then we're going to put this nice curve at the top. Make sure there's a little bit of a point. That's going to be her nose. And you're going to draw these two curves. It almost creates a bit of like a squished heart shape for her nose, like that. And then right here, there's a curve. This is the muzzle area of her mouth. And make sure the bottoms are curved because that's her mouth and she's going to be smiling. Just like this. Put this flattened out kind of flat S shape up here. Put a curve down here for her other side of her muzzle. And then right down here at the bottom of her muzzle, you're going to give her these zigzag lines, because that's how you make fur look like, well, fur. Then curve that bottom part down. Next, we are going to draw one of her eyes. And they're not perfect circles. They're almost, well, these are the outer edge of the eyes. So you're just gonna draw these not so perfect circle shapes, or sort of maybe gumdrop shapes or bell shapes. The real eye shape are these kind of egg shapes, where the wide end is on the left and the narrow end is at the right. Just like this. And this one's going to be a little smaller. And it'll be like this. Just finish that up. And then make sure you put a little bit of a moon and dark detail right here. That's going to be the eyelash of her eye. Here's her other eyelash on this side, and put maybe an eyelash at the bottom right here. We should put another eyelash down here, but a little bit thin. Then on this side, put a triangle shape for, I don't know, the bottom eyelash. The other eyelash on this side is hidden behind her nose because she's turned. And then next, we're gonna put in these half, not complete circles for her irises of her eyes. And we're gonna have them pointing to the right so that she's looking this way. So I'll darken those in. Put another circle inside for the pupils of the eyes. And then you can fill them in black, but don't forget to put the little white circle on top. That's the highlight mark. Means when a light source is coming down on her eyes, it causes a reflection to show. We've drawn them a bunch of times in these videos. Okay, before we finish off her eyes, truly, we need to put these curves on top. Those are the eyelids. Same thing right here. And then we're gonna darken in this side. Get that side right there. Get this curved bottom on this side of her eye. Get this side as well. Make sure this side's a little bit thin. And then right at the top of these shapes we need to draw these moons. These are the eyebrows. Okay, then we're gonna draw a curve right here for her right cheek. We're gonna we don't fill this area because we're gonna draw her neck alongside that. Let's just draw this side of her face first. And then we're gonna darken in this side as well. If you want, you can put these zigzags down here for her fur tummy, like this. Okay, now we need to draw her ears. So we're gonna draw this backwards, flattened out S shape on this side right here. And then we need to draw these zigzag lines for the inside of her ear. And there's going to be 4 of them on this side. Just like that. Get the inside curve right there. Put these lines inside her ears. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. So we'll just draw another flattened out S shape that's a little forward. And there's only going to be 2 zigzag lines on this side because she's turned, which means the forward one has more and the other side has less. Then put these 2 lines right inside. And then let's darken in the top side a little bit. We'll get the outer final edge of her ears. I'm gonna darken and define this side as well. Here's the top curve right there. And then we can finish off the top. And maybe if you want, we can draw a neckline right here. And just like that. And there you have it. You have your very own drawing of Nala from Disney's The Lion King. I hope you had fun, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please feel free to like, subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time. Bye.